Hello children. Lesson number 5th, expansion formulae. Under this lesson, today is the last lecture of this lesson. That's why I will explain you all the formulas, that is x plus a and x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the factorization of x plus a and x plus b. Then we seen the formula of factorization of a plus b brackets cube. Its factorization is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. Similarly, we seen the expansion of a minus b bracket cube, and its expansion is the a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b cube is the factorization of a minus b brackets cube. We solve the various examples based on these formulas. After that, we are going to see today, that is a plus b plus c bracket square factorization. If you see here, this is the last practice set, and then we are going to finish this lesson. So let us find the formula of a plus b plus c bracket square. If you see here, you will notice that here, that is a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. Square means what? The same numbers 2 times multiplication. So here a plus b plus c and a plus c, b plus c, it's a multiplication. Okay, and when you solve this, I will show you. A plus b plus c bracket square means only a is equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. Okay, now a into bracket, this a, you just multiply this a with the whole bracket, so a into bracket a plus b plus c. Okay, now b, just multiply this b with this whole bracket, b with to the whole bracket. So plus sign, don't forget always, b plus b into bracket a plus b plus c. Okay, and then last you just multiply this c with this whole bracket, so plus c into bracket a plus b plus c. Okay, now we will do the multiplication of this. Okay, so a into a square, a into b, ab, a into c, ac. So why I shown this? Because when I am start solving, just you must know how I have multiplied. So a into a is equals to a square. A into this b is equal to plus into plus. First of all, सही बात को सही कहना, सलत सही होता है. So here it will come plus sign, and a into b is equals to ab plus a into c, a with this third term, plus signs multiplication, plus into plus is equal to plus, a into c is equal to ac. That we completed this multiplication. Now we will complete the next multiplication, means this factor brackets multiplication we will complete. So b into a is equals to ab, ba or ab, but we will start alphabetically, so I will write it here ab. B into b, you know that b into b is equals to plus b square. Here all plus signs are there, so plus into plus, you know that plus only, and that's why I am writing signs here. Now plus, here plus sign is there. So b into c, bc. Now we have completed the multiplication of b into this whole bracket, that is a plus b plus c. Now we will complete the third multiplication, that is c into a plus b plus c. So c into a, ac, c into b, bc. Okay, c into a, ac, c into b, bc, and plus c into c, that is c square. Okay, now we will write this in a standard form, means first we will write a square plus b square plus c square. Now a plus b, ab into ab. Okay, how much ab are there? 2ab. So plus 2ab. Now we have completed this was over a square, b square, c square. AB we have completed. Now see which terms are there here. Here AC was there. Okay. So BC in plus BC. How many BCs are here? 2 BCs are here. Okay. Here AC is there. I told you. So plus 2AB that was erased by me. Now 2BC and plus here it is 1 AC and here it is 1 AC. So how many ACs are there? 2 AC, and this is the factorization of A plus B plus C bracket square. So we can write it in this way: A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bracket square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC is the factorization of A plus B plus C bracket square. After this, now we will see how to apply this formula to solve the example. All of you understood this? If you didn't understand, revise it again. Do the multiplication. If you don't understand, do it yourself. Try it and then find its factorization. After getting the factorization, let us move towards how to find out the what. This is the factorization. Just now I told you A plus C, B plus C bracket square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC and plus 2AC. Now we have to use this formula to expand P plus Q plus 3 bracket square. So question is that P plus Q plus 3 bracket square. According to the formula, what we have to do? We have to do the factorization. So formula is that first term A square. A square means what? P square. B square means Q square and 3 square. Okay, factorization I will write here, so it will be clear for you. A plus B plus C, this formula we are using to factorize this. So here it is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Space is not sufficient, better, plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Okay, so this we written this A square plus B square plus C square means first term square plus second term square plus third term square. Now plus 2 into AB means first two terms multiplication. So 2 is the formula, inside 2 is there, and then plus 2A. A means what? P and B means PQ. 2PQ plus now 2BC. This is the formula, inside 2 is there. B means what? Q into 3. Okay, and plus 2AC. A means what? P and C is into 3. Okay, the next step of it is that we have to solve the properly. P square plus Q square, 3 square is 9. 2PQ, right here as it is. No. Now 2 3 is 6 into Q is equal to 6Q. Multiplication in between 2 plus sign. Okay, and now we have to do the multiplication of this, that is 2 3 is 6P. Okay, 6P. So P plus Q plus 3 bracket squares factorization is the P square plus Q square plus 9 plus 2PQ plus 6Q and plus 6P. Okay, so in this way we have to use this formula to solve the example. Okay, now we will see the next example which was given in our textbook. The question is, if you see here, just now we solve this. After this step, what they had done, written in the proper way. So P square Q square written again first 2PQ, this one 6Q 6P, and then number it they written here at last. Okay, in this way writing, then also means only this standard form. We solve the example till here, but this step you have to increase in our Now fill the boxes appropriate and steps and step of expansion. So first of all, according to formula, a plus b plus c bracket square, first term square, second term square, and then next is the 4n square, 4n square. 2 into ab means first two term, then 2 into bc means these two will come here terms. Now 4n is already written, so I will write here 3m. Okay, and then 2a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ac. So a is written here, c we have to write here. So what will come according to formula here, 4n will come. Okay, the next step of it is that 2p square, 2 square is 4p square. This already it's written here. 4 square is 16 n square. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, p into m. Pm means this multiplication is given here, right? And the next term we have to do the multiplication of this. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24, and m into n is equal to mn. So 24 mn, 24 mn. What we have to write here? 24 mn. Now do the multiplication of this. 2 2s are 4, 4 4 are 16, and p into n, pn. So here 16 pn. In this way, in exam if the activity will come, you have to, as teacher told you in language teachers, same, that is the boxes where it is given, at the same places you have to draw the boxes for our answer. Okay, so this is the what example, that is we use the a plus b plus c bracket square. Now one more example is there, that is the simplify. So what is the question? L plus 2m plus n, L plus 2m plus n, L plus 2m, 1 minute, plus sign is given here. Okay, so and plus L minus 2m plus n, and here square is given. So how to solve this? So first of all, do the factorization of this bracket. So according to formula, first term square, second term square, okay, and third term square, plus 2ab means 2 into L into 2m, plus 2bc means 2 into 2m into n, and 2ac means 2ln. Okay, now this brackets multiplication. So here L square plus minus 2m bracket square plus n square plus 2 into L into bracket minus 2m. Okay, negative sign comes, then we have to write, give the bracket, plus 2bc. 2 into b is equal to 2m into n is the c, and plus 2l into n. Now the next step it is that we have to solve. Here plus sign is there, plus sign. L square, right here as it is equal to L square. 2m square means 4m square plus n square plus multiplication of these three. So 2 2s are 4ln, 4ln, lm, sorry. These three is multiplication. 2 2s are 4 mn plus 4 mn, and lastly 2ln. This was we written here. Okay, now the next, this line we will write here downside. So the plus L square minus 2 square is also plus, so 4m square plus n square. This 2's multiplication is, 3's multiplication is minus 4ln, ln, sorry. Then this multiplication minus 4mn, okay, and plus 2lm. Okay, now plus minus cancel. So what is remain? This get cancels with this get cancelled, negative and positive term. L square plus L square, how much it is there? 2l square plus 4m square plus 4m square, 4 plus 4, 8m square, n square plus n square, 2n square. These terms are cancelled, so remains what? 2 plus 2, 4lm is the answer of, or the solving of this l plus 2m plus n bracket square plus l minus 2m plus n bracket square. So in this way you have to simplify when the questions. So understand it. If you didn't understand, again rewind it and then watch the video again. Okay, and here it is in your textbook also given. It is also simple method, directly given. First term square, second term square, third term square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ac, means first two terms multiplication into 2, this. Okay, and this is the factorization till here, the factorization of this, and this brackets factorization is here. Okay, negative positive terms cancel with each other. Okay, so this get cancels with this get cancels with this. Okay, and do the 2l square, 8m square, 2n square, and 4ln. Okay, these two addition is 4ln. This is the simplification. Okay, now your homework is that you have to solve the 5.4, and today we have finished this lesson. Okay, so all of you complete this. Tomorrow we will start the next lesson, that is the means fourth lesson which was left that we are going to take. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.